These larger buildings offer customers a handsome space and extend the way a garden can be used and enjoyed, perhaps as a workshop or studio. These buildings are fully insulated and so can be enjoyed all year round and can be built to suit any design. Integrating separate areas extends how the building can be used. Over a couple of days, see your garden utterly transformed with additional functional space. Single doors or double doors, full-length windows or casements, many choices are available in our range to suit the outcomes that you choose. Customers can add landscaping to allow the building to fit seamlessly into its new surroundings, but often the buildings can stand alone and need no additional surroundings to really stand out, and the maintenance-free finish will last several generations.